Number 1. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. It has 84,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a blue interior. It's powered by a strong 354-volt main engine paired with a TH400 transmission and runs and drives great. The truck looks sharp, but the paint job is subpar. There's no major rust, just a bit on the rocker near the door. The bed floor is missing, but it has new rear fenders, tailgate, roll pan, and front bumper. It's been upgraded with a large aluminum radiator, new cap, rotor, plugs, wires, rear brakes, starter, heater fan, heater hoses, wiper motor, and all new struts. It also has a new AC pump, needs a hose seal, lowered suspension, 20-inch wheels, and decent Michelin tires. The interior needs work but has good bones. It turns heads everywhere and includes pedals for a manual swap. Number 2. 1980 GMC Square Body, price $10,000, with around 33,000 miles since the rebuild. It features a bold yellow exterior, black interior, and runs on gasoline with an automatic 3-speed transmission. Under the hood is a rebuilt 350 V8 engine with an Edelbrock intake and carburetor. The truck has new 3.96 gears in both axles and a 4-inch suspension lift using all new springs. The braking system has been overhauled with a new master cylinder, booster, calipers, rotors, and rear wheel cylinders. Exterior updates include new front fenders, doors, box sides, a NOS tailgate, new bumpers, fresh paint, and a spray-in bed liner on the 8-foot bed. Inside, the truck has new carpet and upholstery and is in excellent condition. It also features manual front hub lockouts and a sliding rear window. Everything works as it should, though the hood has a small kink near the crumple joint. Number 3. 1990 Mazda B-Series, price $5,500, finished in a classic red exterior with a gray interior. It features a manual transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is in great condition mechanically, thanks to a recent top-end rebuild that includes a new timing belt, water pump, oil pump, and headwork. It also has a brand new clutch slave cylinder, ensuring smooth and reliable shifting. The vehicle drives exceptionally well, with no issues whatsoever. It's equipped with nearly new tires, 90% tread, along with all new suspension and brake components, offering a confident and comfortable ride. There is only one minor cosmetic flaw, a small 2-inch surface rust spot located on the passenger side cap corner. Overall, this Mazda B-Series stands out as a dependable, economical choice for anyone seeking a classic compact truck. Number 4. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,700, well-maintained truck with 138,000 miles on the odometer. It features a 350 TBI engine paired with an automatic transmission, and is finished in a classic blue exterior. The truck runs strong and is mechanically sound, with all electronics functioning properly. It was last smogged in March and the registration has already been paid. Over the years, this truck has received considerable maintenance to ensure reliability. At 108,000 miles, the shocks, struts, ball joints, control arms, and tie rod ends were all replaced. At 125,000 miles, a new radiator and thermostat were installed. Within the last 5,000 miles, the rear wheel cylinders and drum brakes were replaced. Additionally, a new battery was installed just 2 months ago. Number 5. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, finished in a matching blue exterior and interior. It retains its original style and charm. Under the hood, it features the original 305 small block V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor, now upgraded with an Edelbrock carbon intake for improved performance. The truck is equipped with a 700R4 automatic transmission that shifts firmly and is paired with 3.73 gears, making it ideal for both city and highway driving. The Chevy 1500 also comes with dual gas tanks, both of which are fully functional. It has a newer dual exhaust system that runs quietly, contributing to a smooth and reliable driving experience. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives excellently, and it is ready to hit the road without hesitation. Included with the vehicle are several valuable parts: 2 rust-free new front fenders, 2 solid doors, and brand new LMC cap corners and rocker panels, perfect for anyone looking to continue preserving or lightly restoring the body. Number 6. 2000 GMC 3500, price $5,800, with 111,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior features a clean tan color scheme. Both the air conditioning and heat function perfectly, providing comfort in any weather, and it's also fitted with a Bluetooth radio for modern convenience. the truck has a recent inspection completed on April 26, and the frame remains solid with no known structural concerns. The only issue is with the speed sensor. After driving for about an hour, the sensor tends to malfunction, causing the speedometer to stop working. The current owner has not attempted to replace it due to lack of mechanical expertise. Other than that, everything else on the truck is in great working condition. Number 7. 1984 Chevrolet K10, price $5,900. It has approximately 100,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior are finished in blue, giving it a classic and cohesive look. The truck runs on gasoline and is currently not in running condition. It likely needs a new radiator. The current owner hasn't done any work on it yet. It was simply rolled off a trailer and into a pole barn for storage. Under the hood is a 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 208C transfer case. It's equipped with a 3/4 ton rear end and a half-ton front end, sitting on aggressive 38 by 15.5 by 15 tires mounted on white 15 by 14 BART wheels. While the body and floor are completely rust-free, the driver's side front fender will need replacement due to tire contact that caused some damage. Number 8. 1973 Ford F250, price $4,400. It has traveled just 58,000 miles. It features a manual transmission and is powered by what is believed to be a straight-six gasoline engine. The truck sports a bold yellow exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a distinct vintage look. The truck is in impressive condition considering its age. It has a clean title and runs and drives well. The brakes are reported to be in excellent working order, and the frame remains solid and well preserved. There is a noticeable dent on the passenger side of the bed, along with some rust spots scattered throughout the body, common for a vehicle of this era. Despite these cosmetic flaws, the overall condition is quite solid. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,150. This truck is a rough around the edges but dependable project truck that still runs and drives. With only 69,000 miles on the odometer, it features a black exterior and an automatic transmission. Under the hood is a small block Chevy 350 engine that runs flawlessly, maintaining a solid 40 pounds of oil pressure at idle. It's paired with what appears to be a newer TH350 transmission. Although the truck has rust throughout the body, patch panels are readily available for those looking to restore it. It's being sold strictly as a driving project, ideal for someone seeking a hands-on restoration experience. With its current condition, it would make a great high school project or a solid base for a custom build. Number 10. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. With 242,000 miles on the odometer, it features a 350 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is finished in green with a gray interior, offering a rugged yet classic appearance. The engine was rebuilt a few years ago, and the truck still runs and drives great, having recently completed a round trip to Chicago without any issues. Several mechanical upgrades have been made, including a new radiator with electric fans, new Black Widow exhaust system, new rear shocks, a new fuel pump assembly, and a set of new 305/70 or 16 tires to ensure smooth and reliable performance. While mechanically solid, the truck does need a few things. The AC is currently non-functional, and there is visible rust on the front fenders, doors, and rocker panels. Additionally, the front windshield is cracked, and the front brakes will need replacement soon.